Throw that bag, I'm a bad little bitch, nigga. Got every ex nigga mad and they big bidder. Diamonds on the chain, blinging off my tits, nigga. I hit his phone, he gon' curve her like a pitch, nigga. Working me, pussy good, so we been hooked. If he got seen out with me, it's a big look. Rolling the top, body smoking like a big blunt.
What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Alexis. What's good? If you're new here, my name is Alexis. Wagwan Goody. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And if you want to, you can follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down in the description down below. I look crazy, so before y'all start talking shit, you see the title of this video, okay? You see the title of this video. But hey to all my goodies who's returning. You know I love you. And period. But as y'all can see from that title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my Good Up HD lace wig. Honestly, I don't even know if it's HD lace, but that's what it's giving. So we gonna jack it's HD lace per. But yeah, actually just did a unboxing to this hair from Wig Dealer. So if you haven't seen that video, right after this video, please make sure you check the description down below and go check out that review, that unboxing. But guys, I'm in love with this hair. I already bleached it, plucked it. So it's honestly ready to go. I dyed it jet black. It was giving natural. And yeah, I plucked it a little bit. So now it's like literally ready to be installed. I braided down my hair. I'm about to get started. I'm not going to talk too much because I'm probably going to end up speeding up this video anyway. But like I said, if you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please make sure you like. Please make sure you comment. All that good stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Mwah.
Hey goodies. So you guys know how I do. We're going to cut around the ears. Add that guy to be blow dry it real dry. Make sure everything is dry. Then I'm going to take some of my Got2b spray. Spray that right on top of it. Blow drying until it's dry, you know, completely dry. Do not cut that cap unless that cap, the glue is completely dry. Like, I'm not even saying with you because when you got them little lifties, don't be mad at me. But I'm going to take a little razor I got from the supply store. I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to cut the cap first with scissors and then cut it with the razor. Then I'm going to take some of this hair glue. This is just to melt the cap first. That's the first little layer. And then after that, I'm going to add some makeup. I like to add makeup in the parts as well because wherever you part it, you want to make sure you don't see any of your natural scalp color.
You see how she bald headed hoe shit,
Then I'm going to take 91% alcohol, clean all around my cap. Do not forget the ears. Please make sure you get behind your ears and everything because you don't want to be breaking out behind your ears. Then I added some makeup to my lace. And now I'm going to place it just to see exactly where I want it, how it's going to lay, and just how I want it to look. After that, I'm going to take a regular like eyeliner pencil and mark exactly where I want the front of the hairline to be. Not all around the head, just the front because it will help me, you know, place the wig better. Then I'm going to take some glue. I'm going to add just the first layer. Yes, I know my forehead is big. Don't come for me because I know your head is big too. Then I'm going to blow dry. You want to make sure you always blow dry the hair glue till it's clear. If you place the wig while it's white, your wig is going to look cakey. It's not going to look right. It's not going to melt at all. So now I'm just cutting that lace with the same razor, and I like going behind the first hairs on like the front of the lace, like the first row of knots on the front of the lace. I feel like it gives more of like an out the scalp look. So try to stay behind the first layer. Don't cut in front of the thing, cut behind it. So give yourself enough room so that when you cut it, it just matches on your head perfectly. So after I do that, now I'm just going to move the first layer of my baby hairs and just blow dry it down to make sure it's melting properly. Then I'm going to start plucking and tweezing and making sure I customize the wig for my head. It's good to always pluck before you install the wig, but you definitely want to pluck it when it gets on your head. After that, I'm going to brush and comb everything back, hot comb everything straight back. I think no matter which part you're doing, it's best to hot comb everything straight back. And yeah, because I feel like that's what gives the laid effect. So now I'm going to start on my baby hairs. And guys, take your absolute time with this. I use spritz. Honestly, guys, this is like the ultimate hack. Like, as you can see, it's already like melting my lace. And I did not know how good spritz was until now. For your lace, like, it really helps melt the lace and lay those hairs down and keep them in place. So I'm just using the spin brush also too. That blow dry spin brush, honey, golden grail. Like, these little hacks, the spritz and that brush was like my best friend for this wig. It really had it laid. So you definitely want to get that spritz, and you definitely want to get a nice hard brush, mainly a spin brush or whatever I think is better. But yeah, I'm gonna do my baby hairs. And take your time, guys. My baby hairs really took the longest out of like the whole process alone. Like, it took like an hour and a half alone, because I was not playing. I had to make sure these baby hairs look cute. I wasn't about to go out here looking busted. And I think the reason why people's lace sometimes will look like shit is because they're rushing. Like, they're rushing themselves. And it's like, take your time. Like, you want this to look so good. And honestly, everybody baby hairs ain't gonna look the same. So you may want the same baby hair Cindy Lou got, but it may not look right for you. And I realized that during this video, like, okay, well, I'm going to do my baby hairs how I want to do them, because just because I see a girl have it a certain type of way doesn't mean that's going to look right on me. So I basically was just playing with it, seeing if I liked it, putting little pieces back, making sure, you know, it wasn't too thick or too thin. Just shaping it out, playing with it, tapering it, thinning it, plucking the baby hairs, everything. I'm adding some mousse, and honey, I loved how the baby hairs came out. They look really cute. I did some going in different directions, and you know, they wasn't too overwhelming. I don't usually like too many baby hairs, but for this wig, I feel like it was necessary. So then I just took some makeup, added some makeup, dabbing it, and the blend was real. Like, honey, it was really giving scalp. You cannot tell me it's not giving scalp right now. So then I just added some mousse and a wrap and just let my hair set while I styled it. Blow dried a little bit, and blow dried it a little bit, and started brushing the hairs out the way and start creating my part. Again, I don't know if you guys know, but I hate like a part that's not deep. But over the days of having this wig in, like, I've like figured out how to make everything nice and flat. But I'm gonna take my Chi heat protectant. Heat protectant is really key to these wigs, guys, because I didn't realize how much I was like burning my hair, like some of my wigs, because I didn't use heat protectant. So please invest in a good heat protectant, because that's how you're gonna just make your hair last a lot longer. And yeah. Now, y'all already know I was about to start feeling myself. But after this, I basically just cut some layers into the front, cut my ends like really straight so that the ends can look healthy. And I just did my makeup so I could close out the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So yeah, guys, it's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this little, you know what I'm saying, this big ass popping ass video of me putting this wig on that I got from Wig Dealer. All the information will be in the description down below. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.